So this morning I woke up and the first thing I do is grab my Moto G phone to check the latest news such as the sports scores. Now I could have asked Alexa, but I wanted to remain private. All right, here we go. So I wanted to catch sports news and I clicked on a link and it went to this Yahoo consent form. Control how we and our partners use your data. You can set your privacy preferences using the settings below. These can be changed at any time by visiting your privacy controls. Find out more about how we use your information in our privacy policy and cookie policy. Now you can accept or reject all of these. Briefly, here we go. Personalized advertising on Yahoo, precise location, personalized advertising on partner sites, device linking, audience matching, there's a lot here. Personalized content on Yahoo. Our partners, framework partners, Google partners, more framework partners, consent, legitimate interest, store and or access information on a device, select basic ads. I feel like I should get a job at a car auction. Sold. Create a personalized ads profile. Select personalized ads. Create a personalized content profile. Select personalized content. Measure ad performance. I'm guessing the ad performance will be pretty good after this one. Measure content performance. Apply market research to generate audience insights. Develop and improve products. Oh, you mean us. Special purposes, ensure security, prevent fraud, prevent fraud and debug, technically deliver ads or content, match and combine offline data sources, link different devices, receive and use automatically sent device characteristics for identification. Special features. We're so special, aren't we? Use precise geolocation data, and of course, I select all of these off. I think I did. Save and continue. And I went through all of this just so I can see that my Yankees beat the Red Sox 12-5. And that's just one website.